Welcome students to mathematics class. All of you take chapter 3 addition. Today we have a new section. In this section we will do problems on addition. You already know addition. And today we are going to learn problems on addition. Okay students, let us look at an example. Okay students, this is the example. A school library has 5,394 books and they purchased, means 2,896 new books were purchased. How many books are there now? The question is that once again, a school library has 5,394 books and 2,896 new books were purchased. How many books are there now? This is the question. So students, to solve this question, let us read the first line again. A school library has 5,394 books. Okay, so the first statement is that we will write books in library is equal to 5,394. Books in library is equal to 5,394. So see here, okay, read it again. A school library has 5,394 books are there. So, okay, students, for next statement, we will read second line in the question. What is second line? And 2,896 new books were purchased. 2,896 new books were purchased. So what is the next statement or second statement? Okay, new book purchased. New book purchased. This second statement is that, first statement is that books in library is equal to 5,394 and new books purchased is that 2,896. Okay, one more is there, how many books are there now? Okay students, again back to the question. What is the question? A school library has 5,394 books and 2,896 new books were purchased. How many books are there now? Okay students, see here. How many books are there now? So total number of books in the library, that we will add the all books. Means, so we will add these two numbers. Understood? 5,394 plus 2,896. So we can write like this: total number of books in library is equal to 5,394 plus 2,896. Total number of books in library is equal to 5,394 plus 2,896. Okay, let us add 5,394 plus 2,896. Okay, let us add ones column first, next tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Okay, ones column 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, 1 we have to take to the tens column. So now 9 plus 1, is 10. 10 plus 9 is 9. So again 1 is carry. So let's take to the hundreds column. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 8 12. Again 1 is carry. So we have to take 1 to the thousands column. So now thousands column. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So total number of books in library is 8,290. Understood? Okay, example 10. In a shop, the sale in the first week was rupees 2,593 and sale in the second week was rupees 4,398. What was the total sale in these 2 weeks? Okay, students. So students, to solve this question, let us read the first line again. What is the first line? In a shop, the sale in the first week was rupees 2,593. We got a number. Okay. What we will write? Sale in the first week. Sale in the first. Okay. Sale in the first week is equal to 2,593. Okay. This is the first statement. What is the first statement? Sale in the first week is equal to 2,593. Okay, students, what is the next statement? Please read the third line. In the second week was 4,398. So we got a number. What is the statement? Sale in the second week. What is the second statement? Sale in the second week. 4,398. Okay. What is next one? The total sale in these 2 weeks. For that, we have to add these two numbers. First 2,593 plus 4,398. Here they given sale in the first week is equal to 2,593 and sale in the second week is equal to 4,398. Okay. So total sale is equal to 2,593 plus 4,398 is equal to, let's add like this, 2,593 plus 4,398. Okay, ones column first. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 is carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 9 is 9. Again 1 is carry. This one is tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. So 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. There is no carry. Next one 4 plus 2 is 6. Answer is that sale in the first week is 2,593 and sale in the second week is equal to 4,398. Total sale is 6,991. Okay. Then stay in your page number 34, exercise 3.5, multiple choice question. A milk van supplied 4,357 bottles and 3,256 bottles of milk in 2 booths. How many total number of bottles of milk did the van supply? Here you can see 2 booths are there. So please read this again, students. First line, a milk van supplied 4,357 bottles. So this number means that milk van supplied in first booth. This number means that milkwan supplied in second booth. So we got two statements. So that means we have to add these two numbers together. So if we add these two numbers, then we will get the answer. That and how many total number of bottles of milk did the van supply? That is a question. So to solve this question, well, let us read the first line again. A milk van supplied 4,357. So this one is van supplied in first booth. So this is the first statement. So let's see the next statement. What is the next statement? Van supplied in second booth 3,256. Van supplied in second booth is equal to 3,256. So what is the question? How many total number of bottles of milk did the van supply? Means total numbers of bottles is equal to 4,357 plus 3,256. Okay, let us add these numbers together. 4,357 plus 3,256. Let's add ones column first. This column is ones column. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 is carry forward to the tens column. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11 and 1 is carry forward to the hundreds column. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So there is no carry. So let's add now 4 plus this one is thousands column. Let's add 4 plus 3 is 7. We get the answer 7,613. So total numbers of bottle is equal to 7,613. Okay, what is the answer? 7,613. This is the answer. Okay, students next question is that a factory produced 2,248 toys in 1 week and 3,562 toys in next week. How many toys did the factory produce in the 2 weeks? Okay, students, to solve this question, let us read the first line again. A factory produced 2,248 toys in 1 week. Okay. So the first statement is toys produced in first week. So read it again. A factory produced 2,248 toys in first week or in 1 week. Okay. First statement is that toys produced in first week. Why first week? What is the number? 2,240. Okay. Let's read the second line again. Second line. And 3,562 toys in next week. That means second week. So toys produced in second week. Toys produced in second week is equal to 3,562. So question is that how many toys did the factory produce in the 2 weeks? Total number is equal to 2,248 plus 3,560. These two numbers. So 2,248 plus 3,562. Okay, let's add ones column first. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have to write 0 here and carry 1 to the tens column. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 is carry forward to the hundreds column. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. There is no carry. Now thousands column, 2 plus 3 is 5. Answer is that 5810. So total number of toys is equal to 5810. 5810. So students, question number 3 is homework. So today let's wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.